Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer from WebMoney to Binance. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up WebMoney. So open up WebMoney, and then what you're going to do, you're going to go and then log into your account. So once you've logged into your account here, you're going to go and hit on these icon here, this menu option here, and then click on cryptocurrency. So when you click on cryptocurrency, and then just choose the crypto that you want to transfer. For example, like Bitcoin, if it's Bitcoin, so just transfer, like hit on it. And then once this is done, so what you're going to do, you're going to go and open up this withdraw Bitcoin option here. So click on the withdraw option. Okay, so once you click on the withdraw option, and then as I said earlier, so make sure you have logged into your account before you make any transfer onto this. So just do that. So make sure you're logged in. So once that's done, so what you're going to do now here, alright, so when you get to this withdraw option here, so what happens, and then you're going to go and open up your Binance account here. So log into your Binance account and open up your Binance account. Alright, and once you're done with that, then hit on this deposit option here, hit on this deposit option, and then click on this deposit crypto here. So when you hit on this deposit crypto here, and then select the crypto that you want to deposit, for example like Bitcoin, or just use Bitcoin. Okay, and then here use this option to get the address, hit on get address. So now you can either use this barcode or this address here, which you can copy to make the transfer. So when you're eligible to withdraw your Bitcoin, you can just withdraw it to this address here, which is your Binance account. So once you've withdraw it or send it to this Binance account, then the funds will be available in your withdraw account once the transaction is done. So that's how you can transfer from your WebMoney to your Bitcoin account. So I hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.